you started your music journey with Salim Sulaiman.
जब मैं फर्स्ट डे गया स्टूडियो, it was they were working on this film called Love Breakup Zindagi. They were recording a song called Rab Rakha.
What a beautiful track.
तू आ गया ते बड़े माहौल वे के इश्क है बैठा मेरे कोल वे तू आ गया ते बड़े माहौल वे कि छड्डिया में सब फिक्रा दफा कर दे ये दूरी फना कर दे मजबूरी रह जा तू मेरे नाल नाल वे Hi, this is Raj Pandit and you're watching me on Hungama Music Room.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू हंगामा म्यूजिक रूम। आज के हमारे आर्टिस्ट एक ऐसे शख्स है जो अपने साथ वाइब लेकर आते हैं, माहौल क्रिएट करते हैं और फिर कहते हैं रहने दे। प्लीज वेलकम राज पंडित। हाय।
Thank you, Irwin. Thank you for having me.
How are you doing, buddy?
All good. As you know, माहौल बनाने की कोशिश चल रही है हर जगह।
I think you know Raj, मैं सबसे पहले तो बता दूं that this man has such a unique voice and you're creating great waves with your music. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
और हम जिस नए गाने की बात कर रहे हैं माहौल, उसके बारे में तो मतलब रोहित शेट्टी तक कह के गए हैं कि शायद उनकी आने वाली फिल्म में शायद हो सकता है कि सरप्राइज एलिमेंट हो और
Fingers crossed.
Or have you already sung?
No. I haven't yet. But जब you know उनके लेवल का एक डायरेक्टर और एक फिल्म मेकर जब आपके काम की तारीफ करे और जेन्युइन आपको एक रिस्पॉन्स दे कि उनको कैसा लगा वीडियो, so I think that means the world to me. Whether it's a positive feedback or something critical that he may have to say, just उनके स्टैचर का कोई भी इंसान अगर आपका काम देखे वही बड़ी बात है. And I was so glad that he was there to launch the song and you know say hi. He had nice things to say about it and what he saw. So I was very happy and very satisfied कि हमने जो मेहनत की है वो you know रंग लाई कहीं ना कहीं.
But a romantic track with equal amount of respect given to instruments काफी rare होता है ये, and we have this amazing guitarist with us joining us. Please introduce him.
That's Nikhil Koti Bhaskar. He's
congratulations.
Composer, producer
now
himself.
on Hungama Music Room. Very important.
It's an important milestone for both of us.
हाँ, बहुत बड़ी चीज हो गई है. अभी लाइफ बदलने वाली तुम्हारी.
ये हमारा milestone है आज का. बहुत important.
Yeah, I think won't you guys agree that you know instruments need to be respected as much as vocals, and Mahol does that. I could hear every beat.
Yeah.
And there were times where I've heard a very different instrument. कहीं तो रुक कर कुछ हुआ है. Trumpet play हुआ है. Was there? Am I right?
That's right.
Wow.
So the whole approach was to keep the song very minimal, क्योंकि बहुत ही simple और बहुत ही sincere thought था उसके पीछे कि ये word मेरे जहन में था माहौल, और हम इतना conversations में use करते हैं. Such a musical word. पहले तो so I wanted to do a song with this word and around this. और core thought ये था कि when I was discussing with IP Singh, who's the lyric writer, I said कि लड़का जो है वो बस अपनी पार्टनर से कह रहा है कि तुम्हारे आने से मेरी ज़िंदगी का माहौल बन गया, and he is just very grateful for you know having her in his life.
Right.
बहुत ही sincere, बहुत ही honest, very you know जैसे वो एक thought था तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ. Such a beautiful innocent thought. तो that was like a reference in terms of the approach of the song. Of course it's a way bigger song. And
मतलब एग्जाम्पल भी देना है तो सलीम सुलेमान जी का ही होना चाहिए. ये इतना क्या बात है. देखो
that is natural, you know, that
प्रमोशन ऐसे होते हैं. मर्चेंट रिकॉर्ड्स
होमवर्क की जरूरत नहीं होती.
बहुत सही. गाना भी देखो क्या सोच रहे हैं.
but genuinely
गाना है ओरी पिया, मतलब वो भी कितना.
but that is a very natural thing for me. I was discussing this on the way also. Even production wise, there are some ideas which I you know put down and then I realized this is such a typical Salim Sulaiman thing to do in songs, you know. तो वो मेरे रगों में आ चुका है, वो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता उसका.
अच्छा, माहौल as a word is not a very romantic word, you know, but to give it a feel, you know, of romance and to जैसे आपने कहा कि वो एक खूबसूरती आ गई कि because you came into my life माहौल बन गया. तो were there times where you all had challenges with the अंतरा because चलो मुखड़ा बन गया, अब अंतरे पर जब आए तब क्या चल रहा था?
नहीं, there was no challenges because thought, luckily core thought बहुत clear था and टू प्रोग्रेस इनटू द अंतरा हम ये सोच रहे थे कि कैसे अब इसको, ये बात तो हमने कह दी कि तू आ गया ते बढ़िया माहौल वे कि इश्क है बैठा मेरे कोल वे. इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थॉट. नाउ व्हेन वी हैव टू से समथिंग बियॉन्ड दिस, हाउ डू वी से इट. तो मैंने कहा वो लड़की की खूबसूरती की बातें तो सब करते हैं, यू नो, यू डायरेक्टली से टू समवन कि व्हाट यू थिंक ऑफ देयर लुक्स और देयर बिहेवियर और व्हाटएवर यू से, यू नो, यू पिक ट्रेट्स एंड यू उनकी तारीफ कर दो तो यू हैव सर्टेन लाइन्स दैट यू कैन डू. बट IP very smartly, you know, he brought that word rub, क्योंकि मैंने सेम चीज़ उनको भी कही थी एज अ थॉट. आई हैड गिवन हिम दिस लाइन ऑफ तुझ में रब दिखता है, सेइंग कि यार ये इट्स सच अ इनोसेंट एंड सच एन ऑनेस्ट फीलिंग, सिंसियर फीलिंग है बहुत. इट्स नॉट वेरी ओवर द टॉप रोमांटिक बट इट्स स्टिल वेरी जेन्युइन. तो मैंने कहा वो रब वर्ड बहुत कमाल है. सो ही ब्रॉट इट इन द अंतरा सेइंग रब ने है तेनू रूप दिता सोना बड़ा कुड़िए कि आज मन्नी ना तू बुरा वे जे तारीफा तेरी करिए, कि मैं अगर तेरी तारीफ करूँ तो बुरा मत मानना आज. So it's a very, you know, innocent sort of a way of saying things to someone you love. So that was the approach, and it went off very, very smoothly because IP is a fantastic writer. It's my third song with him. I collaborated with him on Rain Day and Hal Chal also. So this was also a very interesting thing for him, saying यार ऐसे टाइप के गाने मुझे और बुलाओ, you know, लिखने के लिए, because dance tracks तो हम करते ही हैं, you know, those banger tracks that we do anyway, but this is something I personally also love writing. So he was very quick, and within like I think 3 or 4 hours of our session we had the song ready. So it was
चलिए
very
सुनते
smooth.
हैं, let's listen to this track.
Sure. सुन जा ओ जरा सुन जा मुटियारे नी, नैनों के सब पेचे हमारे, एक पल भी तेरे बिन मैं जो गुजारूं तो लगे हफ्ते मैंने सहरा में गुजारे. खिला है मोगरे सा देख ये नजारा, गया है दिल मेरे हाथ से बेचारा, धड़कन मेरी रही है बोल वे, तू आ गया ते बड़े माहौल वे, के इश्क है बैठा मेरे कोल वे, तू आ गया ते बड़े माहौल वे, कि छड्डिया में सब फिकरा, ओ तू आ गया ते बड़े माहौल वे, करी तू जावे टच मेरी सोल वे, तू आ गया ते बड़े माहौल वे, कि छड्डिया में सब फिकरा. हाँ हाँ माहौल वे.
टच हो गई सोल. हो गई टच सोल, एकदम परफेक्ट. वाह वाह वाह, दिस इज लवली.
Thank you.
Now, Raj, a lot of us know this, but for those of y'all who don't, you started your music journey with Salim Sulaiman.
That's right.
क्या आपको याद है कि वो कौन सा पहला प्रोजेक्ट था जिस पे आपने काम किया था?
The first day I walked into the studio, this was
And how many years ago is this?
12 years ago, 2011. मैं, it was 7th June.
You were in school?
I was just out of 12th standard. मैंने खत्म किया था अपना, and I was about to start my undergrad degree. So right after my 12th standard, I approached them and I said, I want to really intern with you and work with you and assist you in the studio. मैं एक्चुअली स्कूल के बाद ही उनके पास चले गया था.
अच्छा.
फिर उन्होंने कहा बेटा थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर लो, तुम ज़्यादा उड़ो मत. You just finished your school, start college, you know, finish your education and then we'll see. And I was obviously very kacha at that time with my music also. I was still learning and I was a kid. तो that was their nice way of saying कि तुमको टाइम है, तुम पढ़ाई कर लो पहले. फिर 2 साल मैंने 11th 12th I finished my college, junior college, and then simultaneously I was also working on, you know, my production skills, and I was trying to get myself better at programming and, you know, making music.
And music comes to you from mom?
Yes, that's my mother, Neerja Pandit. She's a Kashmiri folk singer. So I've grown up around musical instruments and that musical mahal as a kid. तो वो तो मुझे पता था कि मैं I want to pursue music as a profession very early on. तो जब उनके साथ मैंने पहला जब मैं फर्स्ट डे गया स्टूडियो, इट वाज दे वर वर्किंग ऑन दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड लव ब्रेकअप जिंदगी, प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दिया मिर्जा एंड जाहिद खान. तो उसका एल्बम पे काम चल रहा था, एंड दे वर रिकॉर्डिंग अ सॉन्ग कॉल्ड रब राखा.
What a
which
beautiful
was a
track. What a
beautiful
beautiful
track. And उसके arrangement production पे काम चल रहा था. And I was just, I remember entering the room and just being so fascinated with everything that was going on, because you know Diya was there, Zayed was there, the director Sahil, he was there. और ये दुनिया मेरे लिए इतनी fascinating थी कि वो जब म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं उस वक्त you know there are suggestions that people would say, you know the singers were supposed to come and Sonu ji was supposed to come and record and Shreya ji was supposed to come and sing. तो वो जो प्रोसेस था ऑफ मेकिंग म्यूजिक, वो 4 या 5 घंटे जो मैं स्टूडियो में था, मैंने कहा अब तो मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊँगा. ये जो दुनिया मुझे मिली है यू नो सीखने के लिए, और यू नो आई हैव गॉट एक्सेस टू दिस वर्ल्ड एंड 2 ऑफ माय फेवरेट कंपोजर्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. तो उनके साथ उनको काम करते हुए देखना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. सो that was the first day, and it's been 12 years I've been associated with them for that long, and hopefully for very long in the future as well.
What has been your most memorable album that you worked on with them?
बहुत सारे albums हमने film albums उनके साथ किए, where I was so the first couple of years I was just watching and learning and not fully producing it, but Bhumi 2020 जो album था हमारा, which was an independent album, which was something that they were reviving 20 साल के बाद. उन्होंने एक album किया था Bhumi in the year 99, और in 2000 release हुआ था वो. और जब मेरी first meeting उनके साथ हुई थी, he had given me Salim sir had given me a CD of that original album of Bhumi, saying you know you should check. Of course I have it. He had given me a CD saying कि you know you should check it out. हमने album किया था. It was recorded, mixed in you know London, and we recorded folk songs from all over India. So I was like a wide-eyed kid saying, okay, thank you for giving me this, and I had loved the album back then. और cut to 20 साल बाद जब when they thought of you know bringing back the independent music movement with Bhumi, I was co-producing the album with them. So that feeling of you know completion of that circle, वो मतलब priceless था मेरे लिए. और I literally owned every song of that album, saying कि ये मेरा गाना है, ये मैंने किया, because मेरा वो feeling जो थी कि you know इतने साल उनके साथ सीखना, उनके साथ काम करना, and then to you know for them to be gracious enough to say कि okay we've done this song, now you do something on it, or let's think of some ideas of how do you want to arrange it, how do you want it to sound. So for me it was a big deal and a big shift mentally, because up until then I was like, हाँ sir, whatever he says is cool, it's nice, but they would still poke me and say, नहीं but is this better or is this better. So वो जो over the years वो जो process, जो comfort level they you know I had with them. So Bhumi 2020 was very much was a milestone for me personally as a music lover and a music student, कि मैं वो album उनके साथ I did that after 20 years.
There is also a Kashmiri song that you have sung.
Yes. Yeah.
This is in Bhumi 2.0 or?
This was in Bhumi 22.
22. Yeah.
The
22.
third season. Yes.
ये तो सुनना बनता है. Nazneen.
Of course.
Definitely is a must.
It was one of the biggest songs of the album, and we were so like taken aback, because you know folk music में हमारे पूरे देश के जितने अलग अलग folk के रंग हैं, वो उसमें इतनी power है कि we were actually concerned कि because Kashmiri language है, we are not sure how it would you know people would react to it.
Yeah.
But just language barriers aside, people from all over the world, all different cultures, just lapped it up so well. तो हमें थोड़ा confidence है कि नहीं यार, you know what, you should just do what you feel like from the heart, and you know it reaches the right people. So let's do an unplugged version of it.
Yes, please.
Yeah. नाज़नीन यार म्यानी यीछु मुलाकात, नाज़नीन यार म्यानी यीछु मुलाकात, यीछु मुलाकात, यीछु मुलाकात, नाज़नीन यार म्यानी यीछु मुलाकात, हो नाज़नीन यार म्यानी यीछु मुलाकात. कैसे छै बारात यवान, कैसे छै बारात यवान, कैसे हुंद जिनाज निवान, कैसे हुंद जिनाज निवान, काछु सदा नाल दीवान, कश आसान मंजिरात, नाज़नीन यार म्यानी यीछु मुलाकात, हो नाज़नी यार मानी ये छो मुलाकात. Thank you. Thank you.
ये ठहराव, ये जो ग्राउंडेड हो ना आप आज, in 10 years also I'm sure this is how I will find you, I will see you, and as years come by and you know you do greatest and all of hits, I know one thing for sure, that this voice and you as a person will always stay like this. I'm so glad.
Fingers crossed.
Really,
Thank you.
really.
Thank you.
नहीं, it means a lot. मुझे लगता है कि आपने जैसे बताया कि there was like an entire process of you know you learning. You had a very strong base, and that's
जी.
so important.
Absolutely.
We totally need more Kashmiri songs.
100%.
है ना?
100%. I actually did, because of Nazneen, we got so much confidence that शिवरात्रि पे मैंने एक कश्मीरी भजन किया था, शिव भजन किया था, which was again it got such a good response from Merchant Records again. हमने सोचा कि it's a very important festival as far as Kashmiris are concerned. शिवरात्रि बहुत बड़ा माना जाता है, तो you know to celebrate that I did another Kashmiri bhajan which was a Shiv Stuti, a traditional Shiv Stuti. So I think अब सिलसिला शुरू हुआ है नाज़नीन से, so we're not going to stop.
बिल्कुल
It's going to
बिल्कुल.
continue.
Because this is a whole different sound and
Yeah.
it's not new. I'm using the word different because
जी.
it's not new. ये सुनते
Of course.
आए हैं लोग, बस अब ये पहुंचना जरूरी है सही
Absolutely.
कानों तक. So
Absolutely.
it's so important, and I'm glad that you know you are making it happen. We need more of it. Amazing.
Thank you.
अब बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे गाने की. I think that was the last time we had an interview, which was रहने दे.
Yes.
मुझे याद है कि after the track we also did a video, a dance
The hook
video.
step, yeah.
And I want to just tell you this, your dad called me up. Ashok ji called me up and this is what he says. तू भी अच्छा नाच लेती है यार. Like thank you so much. Because Raj is the star and
Little did he know कि हम सब में एक डांसर कहना कि छुपा है.
but you are like a hardcore dancer. Like बहुत पसंद आता है तुम्हें डांस करना.
Yeah.
You just enjoy it a lot, right?
बचपन से I've had that streak of dancing. And जब मेरा पहला गाना मैं करने वाला था Vibe,
Yeah.
I also trained for it because I realized कि वो जो पार्टियों में आप नाचते हो या शादियों में नाचते हो या अपने दोस्तों के आसपास करते हो, that's one thing. But to do it for camera is a whole different ball game.
Correct.
तो इसलिए थोड़ा और सीखना ज़रूरी है. तो मैंने वो शूट के पहले एटलीस्ट a good 2 to 3 months I trained with Shazib, who was the choreographer and director of that video. Or even after that shoot, I continued training with him because it's something that I love doing. और जब उस something that you love doing उसमें अगर एक process add हो जाता है, तो I really find it very fascinating. तो मैं I try and you know do different styles, try and better myself, view my body language. Because if you have to be in front of the camera, तो डांसिंग सीखने से वही आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी एक यू नो इम्प्रूव होता है. यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग न्यूअर थिंग्स अबाउट योर पोस्चर एंड अबाउट योर द वे यू आर लुकिंग. तो वो सारी चीज़ें मैं सीखने की कोशिश हर वीडियो के साथ करता हूँ, दैट आई गेट बेटर एट.
Again, I love the fact that you know you're also working on the videos. क्योंकि ये independent music का ज़माना है where
Absolutely.
we're enjoying music that we hear and we watch.
जी.
तो of course it brings us back to the 90s ना, क्या दौर था वो.
Of course, that's where it all started, I think.
No,
The
imagine
movement-
just Shan only walking and singing Tana Dil. Can you
What a
believe
visual.
it? Can you believe that?
and it still looks so fresh.
Yeah.
It still
and
looks
Mohit
like अभी
Chauhan
shoot हुआ है.
singing Duba Duba Underwater.
Yeah.
Wow, यार कुछ अलग ही था. But I'm glad that there are dance numbers happening now. Rende is one, and we're ready to dance. Let's
Let's
listen
do
to
it.
this track.
सुन जरा मेरी बारी है, अब सुन जरा हो रुक जरा, दिल न खाली है अब रुक जरा. हाँ है तुझ पे मर मिटा था मैं, फिर भी ना दिखा था मैं, बहका था फिसल गया. हो अब यूं मिल रही है तू, इतना जल रही है क्यों, हाले दिल मुझे मेरा कहने दे, रहने दे. हो मेरी जान रहने दे, हो गलमान रहने दे. चल रहने दे मेरी जान रहने दे, हो चलना नहीं कोई बहाना तू रहने दे, हो मेरी जान रहने दे, हो गलमान रहने दे, हो चल रहने दे मेरी जान रहने दे, हाँ चलना नहीं कोई बहाना तू रहने दे। Thank you.
Raj Pandit हमारे साथ on Hungama Music Room. I'm having a great time. Are you enjoying yourself?
Loving it as always. With you, it's like coming to talk to a friend.
ये ना?
Interview लगता ही नहीं है.
उनका कभी इंटरव्यू नहीं लगता यार, यही बात है। आई रियली एंजॉय दिस। कॉन्वर्सेशंस होने चाहिए,
बिल्कुल,
है ना?
बिल्कुल।
और गानों की बातें तो चलती रहती है, चलता रहता है ये सिलसिला। तो मैं और एक गाने की ओर बढ़ने वाली हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रबल यू विद वन मोर सॉन्ग बिकॉज दिस इज अ कोलैबोरेशन ऑफ यू एंड सुकृति।
Yes, a very special one.
एंड हाउ मच हैव डू यू सी द व्यूज? कितने व्यूज, कितने मिलियन हो गए हैं इसको? 1 मिलियन तो क्रॉस हो गया है कुछ।
हाँ, it was, I think हालचाल was at around, I think 2 million now on YouTube and almost touching 1 million on Spotify as well.
Is that something that you do रात को चुपके से?
Yeah, I check.
हाँ.
I always check because it's all real time, right? Especially with the audio streaming apps. अभी तो आपके पास as an artist you have access to like real time data.
Right.
तो अगर आपके गाने में dip भी हो रहा है तो you can see it. If it's gaining traction, you can see it. It's all there. So
But do you sit and analyze if there is a dip that you see in probably the listenership? Suddenly do you feel like, okay, maybe next time I'm going to work on something else? How do you process it?
I think that's just for a very subconscious understanding of how things work. Like अगर आपका एक गाना किसी बड़ी playlist पे feature हो गया तो obviously the numbers are going to go up. But the true I think testament is कि वो कितना लंबा चलता है and how long does it have that consistent, even if it's let's say 1,000 plays a day.
Yeah.
वो 1,000 plays कब तक आप maintain कर पाते हैं is the ball game. So I have seen कि मेरे जो कुछ डिवोशनल गाने हैं, like I did a साई भजन in Bhumi in 2021, it's called साई नारायणा. That is still the most consistent track of mine in a way because firstly devotional music is so it reaches so many more people और लोग उसको सुनते हैं, रेगुलरली सुनते हैं और उतने ही नंबर्स आपके डेली मिल रहे हैं आपको. तो वो एक ओवरऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है कि ओके दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ will get these kind of numbers and if a song is too experimental sometimes people might not or might even, you never know. Like today, I think today's time the lines are so blurred कि आपका 8 साल पुराना गाना भी जो उस समय शायद ना चला हो,
correct,
but किसी रील पे अगर आज चल गया so people pick it up and it becomes a big song again.
Yeah.
And it gets rediscovered.
Absolutely.
So I don't make choices based on that, based on the analytics and numbers and all, but it's good to have that understanding as an artist because that's also an important aspect. As an independent musician, if you're putting out music, it's important to know what the reality is and not just friends and family सब तारीफ कर रहे हैं, comments कर रहे हैं, likes आ रहे हैं, वो तो obviously होने ही वाला है, but the true reality of what your song has done and what its shelf life has been like, वो एक back end पे एक understanding होना I think ज़रूरी है.
Lovely यार, हाल चाल तो बनता है.
Of course.
ये हालचाल हमें शुरुआत में पूछना चाहिए था एक दूसरे से, लेकिन चलिए while we are ending this amazing interview,
हालचाल तो चलते रहना चाहिए. Of course.
चलाते.
Missing सुकृति today
है ना?
for this, but कोई बात नहीं. I think हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उसकी कमी हमें महसूस ना हो. गुजर जाए अगर तू पास से ओ सोनिए, फिसल जाए मेरी तो सांस ही मन मोड़िए, संभाले जा तू सांसों को ओ मजनू मेरे आ, कि मैंने मारनी अब रोज तेरे दिल दी गेड़ियां, दफा कर दे ये दूरी, फना कर दे मजबूरी, रह जा तू मेरे नाल नाल बे, हो दफा कर दे ये दूरी, फना कर दे मजबूरी, कर दे बहाल हाल चाल वे, ओ हाल चाल वे, हो हाल चाल वे.
Yay! Raj, thank you so much. This
Thank
was
you, Anna.
special as always. I had a
always.
great time, and to many more great conversations.
Absolutely.
Because ये तो बस शुरुआत है और बहुत सारे गाने आने वाले हैं. And please guys, give all your love to this singer. You know, you've sung how many songs have you? How many? What's the count now?
Mahal is my 5th independent single. Yeah.
फिर भी नया लगता है.
Thank you.
So all the very best, and I think that's the beauty of your voice. You know, there's freshness in it, and like I said, it's so grounded. बहुत तारीफ कर रही हूँ यार मैं इसकी तो बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ कर रही हूँ.
You've always been like this, and I think that's why I keep coming back to you after every song.
अच्छा, for the तारीफ.
For the तारीफ कि यार कोई तो मेरी दिल से तारीफ करे. हर गाने में एक डोज उर्मिन का होना चाहिए.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Nikhil.
Thank you.
For
Thank
joining me. And guys, thank you so much for watching us on Hungama Music Room.
Hi, this is Raj Pandit, and you're watching me on Hungama Music Room.